That's the Universal Studios tram. We just wrapped the first tour, first night, opening night of AP Previews this Thursday night, first tram, 5:30 p.m. tram. It was amazing. Got to see Doc Brown, never seen him before on the tram. We had a great tour around the back lot, and the photo ops at the end of the night were fantastic. Jaws, Fast and Furious, King Kong, Norman, the Bates Motel. It was awesome. Check this out. Look at, they got a new banner up here. That's nice. Hey, all right, here we go. Woo! So we're going to be on the right side today, the Jaws side. If you guys hear a familiar voice while we do this video, it's because we've got a fan with us today.
These three are out right
amazing.
now. That's only
so good. I can't wait. I can't wait for this.
Wave goodbye to all my managers, the amazing Sudio Tour ambassadors, that woman with the Dodgers sweater. Go Dodgers! All right, folks. You have me, Victor, as your tour guide. You have the best in the industry, Jacob, as your driver. Now, the last soundstage, Soundstage 7, that is where they filmed the infamous shower scene from Psycho. That was filmed right in there.
It's over here, yeah, the red light we're filming right now. Hot set. That would be cooler, but it's not me. I'll do the commentary. This is where they shot the Truman Show when the dog went on the grass. Or didn't go.
Great.
Yeah. There it is.
B-E-A. Thank you, Jim Carrey. Enough about me. Thank you for your cooperation during that quiet zone for St. Denis Medical. Now, unfortunately, Jacob and I cannot take the tram to go 80 miles per hour, but the time machine did go 80 miles per hour on this street right here.
Oh,
welcome to Courthouse Square, otherwise known as Hill Valley.
No way, I'm on the wrong side.
Movies, directed by Robert Zemeckis, starring Christopher Lloyd and Michael J. Fox. That is the time machine right there.
Oh,
hi, Doc! Woo! Guys, that's Doc Brown!
Welcome to Hill Valley, California, Courthouse Square.
Wow.
From 1885 to 2024, this charming little town stood the test of time. Good to see you, my friends. Ooh, don't forget to re-elect Mayor Goldie Wilson III. Progress is his middle name. Are we ready for a little time travel?
Yeah.
Are we ready for some time travel?
Yeah!
Okay, driver,
Everybody
you heard
up
it.
here
Let's
said,
get it
what?
up to 5 miles an hour.
What was that?
6 miles an hour. 7
much time,
miles an hour. 8 miles an hour.
We totally heard everything! Not for us, but we were allowed to come in here. That's what the lot dispatcher was telling us. This is the first tour. We were the first tour today to go through it! Now, Brownstone right over there, that's where they filmed Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. Yes, that's where Kevin McAllister was throwing bricks at the Sticky Bandits. That's also where they filmed my favorite romantic comedy ever, Gone Girl, with Rosamund Pike and Ben Affleck. Yeah, so all right, do you see that? Look right over there. There's a black cafe with gold accents and marble pillars. That cafe is where Doc Ock, played by Alfred Molina, threw a car at my Spider-Man, Tobey Maguire, in Spider-Man 2.
You learn something new every time you go on one of these tours.
Just here for the amazing
creatures from prehistoric
It's our driver.
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah!
Who's not having fun? Raise your hand. Who raised your hand? Get out. Academy Award-winning Jordan Peele's Get Out. Why is their whole filming crew?
Look, we can see both ends of the track.
You don't have my consent. I'm kidding. You do. I signed a contract that says anybody can record along for the ride. Okay, so again, I don't want to promise anything because if I tell you what we might do and then we don't do it, it's going to be a big bummer for me and for all of you. So check this out. There is Soundstage 50 right there. I don't know why there's a bunch of managers and people here and another tour guide. I think I got fired, folks. Did I just get fired? I'm scared. I'm scared. No, 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 don't talk to me. Why? What's happening?
Are we getting off? I saw a tram go in the building earlier. Green light.
Say it louder, say it louder. They almost fired me, folks. That's weird. So close. Ryan was like, oh, yeah. That video, just the evidence is too perfect. Anyway, I have a big surprise for you. Yeah? Welcome to Earthquake, the big one. Yeah. This has been closed for over a year. Let's give a huge round of applause for our management team, our law dispatchers, not to Andrew. I don't know why he's here. Okay, we love Andrew. All right, guys, this is a huge deal. Remain seated at all times. No flash photography. We're about to have some fun. We're about to get shook. All right, folks, this is a huge deal. Who's been on the tour before? This is huge, guys. We're back in Earthquake. Yes. Guys, this has been closed for over a year. You guys are some of the first people. Remember earlier when I told you they stopped us and we might be doing something different? Well, this is it right here. This is part of the 60th anniversary celebration. We redid our... Now, it's not going to shake. Let's start there. Sorry. I should have started. We're just in here so we can take a look at it, but it's not going to shake because... Wait, no, stop. No, they told me it wasn't going to shake. I'm scared. Alright, it's all good, folks. Just remain seated. Don't panic. Whatever you do, don't panic. Oh no, watch out to the left-hand side. Oh no. The roof is on fire. I don't know about you, but I'm shook. Alright, don't worry, I'm gonna call for help. Don't worry, I got you. Jacob upstairs. Is that the train? Jacob! Jacob, watch out! Jacob, no! Again, this is a huge deal. They allowed us to go into technical rehearsals. So when we went to Courthouse Square, where they filmed Back to the Future, we were not supposed to go in there. We weren't supposed to be. We weren't even supposed to see Doc. We weren't supposed to see any of that. So we're back. Whoever decided to take the tour at Basic Courthouse Square, you got Earthquake, the big one. That was just remodeled. For those of you who haven't been on the Sudio Tour before, you're probably like, why is my tour guide freaking out? Well, we're David in the water, just to make sure that we're good, that nothing fishy happens. Or not David, who's working today? Ron's working today. I love Ron. He'll come out in a moment. Now, we're going to stop here for a few moments so you can take some videos, some photos. They film Community here. Is that a tuba? Okay, Ron, there's a tuba playing. That's not good news. Ron, swim to the boat, man. Swim to the boat, Ron. No, Ron, no. What is it? He's gonna sacrifice himself. No, Ron, you can't. There must be another way. It has to be you, Ron. Not me. Not a driver. You. Ron had a lot of guts to be out there, and there they are. Alright, it's all good, folks. It's okay. Our driver, Jacob, is a professional. He's going to park the tram in the safest place possible behind these extremely flammable gasoline barrels. Now, don't worry. There is bait attached to that yellow buoy. If you take the bait, what's happening with here? Jacob? Oh. Jacob, I'm scared. That pier is on fire. Yo, is that the shark? Yo, that's the shark. Police boat. Haha, we got you, bud. You think? Oh no! Man, it's a family. I was wrong. I was horribly wrong. Yes, let's give a huge round of applause for our shark, Bruce.
There you go, Bruce.
Yes, the House of a Thousand
Wait,
Corpses. You might also recognize it from LMFAO's
No way.
Sorry for Party Rocky music video. You might also recognize it as Miss Mona's Chicken Ranch, and that's at a whorehouse in Texas. Yeah, I said it, Texas.
That's the Rob Zombie house?
You guys are actually part of something really cool. Stop, Woody. The cool thing is that usually we would just go to Nope, and I'd be like, don't look over there. That's not for you. But guess what? Today, it is for you. Folks, welcome to our War of the World set. You guys are some of the first people. You are getting the 60th anniversary tour. I hope you know this. Maybe not the whole thing, but this is really cool. If you haven't been on the tour before, this is really rad. This is a big deal for locals, for people who've been taking the tour for a long time. We're actually doing a reverse route. If you've been on the tour before, we go out this way, but we're gonna go reverse. Now, who thinks this is a real airplane? Who thinks this is a fake airplane? This is a real Boeing 747 airplane that was bought just for the production of War of the Worlds. It cost filmmakers $60,000, and you're probably thinking, oh, that's not that bad. But to get it here, it was $200,000. It's always the shipping and handling that gets you, am I right?
They cleaned it up a lot.
Now, who flew into LA? There's an urban legend that if you look up at the second story of the Psycho House, that you can still see Mother. Hey, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hey. Oh, there she is. Look at her rocking out. Maybe a little sunscreen next time. Hey, Mom, guess what we're up to? Guess.
Are they watching me?
We are.
Well, let them see what kind of a person I am.
For the first time in almost 60 years, we will be getting off of the tram, and we are going to be walking around this area right here. This is a huge deal, guys. Some of you, who expected this? Oh, okay, never mind. I'm just a daytime tour. They didn't tell me I was doing this. Okay, well, if you knew you were going to do this, then cool. That's been the plan the whole time. I'm not part of the 60th anniversary stuff. Not tonight. I'm going home at 5. But this is really cool. Look at this. Guess what? You're gonna get off the tram and you're gonna have so much fun. The only bummer, I'm not gonna be your tour guide when you get back on the tram.
Oh.
Guys, let's give it. I know. Let's give a huge round of applause for our driver, Jacob. And that was your.
So it's kind of hard to tell, but they've dropped Bates Motel. They've got the glamour, but right there, that's Bates Motel. They've been refurbing this, all of this area right here. This is the door. You can see that's the door where normally Norman would walk out. The car's out here. We'll get to that in a minute. Photo op in front of the Hollywood sign. That's kind of amazing that they've set this up. And they've done it in such a way, they've given you forced perspective to make it look like it's full size. Wow, that's so great. That looks so good. Oh, it's Norman. Don't frighten Norman.
As you have more photo ops all the way down to your left. Fast and Furious, King Kong.
He's talking to his mother. Mother, what have you done?
Thank you.
Amazing.
Here you guys have Jaws, King Kong, and everything else.
Jaws, King Kong, and more.
Fast and Furious.
On the other side of the Bates Motel, this is why they've been refurbing these. I bet it's getting ready for this. But on the other side of the Bates Motel, you've got a Fast and the Furious picture spot here. Look at that blur they've set up there. That's going to look great on camera. King Kong, you're in his grip. We'll be doing that one next. And then, obviously, Bruce. Shark still looks fake. So our next stop right here is the King Kong. You put yourself in his grip, and then try to look scared if you can. I'm sure that Janelle's got this covered. She's gonna do Fay Ray right now.
When it comes to photos, she knows how to get
She's a pro. I think Bruce is next. Look at that. That is so good. That's the biggest. This is way better than the one that they have at Orlando. Oh, you can hear the music too. This has been the coolest thing. They have really crushed this idea. It's a brilliant idea. We jumped out of the train and went to the Bates Motel. We're getting pictures taken here with King Kong, Fast and Furious, Jaws, all this. There's a lot of positive energy. This is brilliant. This is brilliant. They have changed the dynamics, changed the energy of the tram tour. It was already great. It was already iconic. It's a shame that this can't stick around. It's just for the 60th until August 11th, I think. But it's well worth it. I would say that the waits for these queues, we're catching this at kind of a peak time, I think. I'm not sure, but it's been like maybe 10 or 15 minutes for each queue. So it's not terrible, and you get a pretty good shot. Nobody's rushing you. It's great. I love it. The shark. The shark's next. We gotta get up there. We gotta get into the shark. Look at the size of that thing. That looks great. That looks absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Last one is Fast and the Furious, and I'm a little perplexed about what the action is here. I was mentioned before they got the blur effect, and the cars are obviously traveling at a high rate of speed. What is the subject's role here? You're caught by King Kong over there, and obviously you've caught a shark in the other one. with the action, like, are we all going to get run over by these cars? So that makes sense. If you're the flag girl, about ready to set everybody off in the drag race, that's good. Miguel, I don't think either one of us could pull that off, though. Yeah, this is our boat. We're out of here. That's it. Took a bunch of pictures. Let's finish off our tram tour.
So you can pump what I say.
My favorite, dancing in single file.
And on behalf of myself, Stephanie, our driver CJ, and everyone else here at Universal Studios Hollywood, we hope you have enjoyed this exclusive behind-the-scenes experience that has been 60 years in the making. And as we say in Hollywood, that's a wrap. Thank you all so much for joining us again. I'll be by the digital board if we have any questions afterwards. As we say in the biz, that's a wrap.